Introduction. Hey, Money Insight members. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting ways to make money right from your phone. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to make some extra cash, these options have got you covered. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our money-making tips. Let's get started. 1. Freelance work. First up, we have freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for various services. Whether you're into writing, graphic design, or programming, you can complete tasks right from your phone. 2. Online surveys and reviews. If you enjoy sharing your opinions, platforms like Swagbucks, Junkie, and Vindale Research let you participate in surveys, watch videos, and write reviews to earn points or cash. 3. Sell photos. For all you photography enthusiasts out there, apps like Foap and Shutterstock allow you to sell your photos and turn your passion into profit. 4. Social media management. Offering social media management services is a great way to earn money. Businesses and individuals are always looking to enhance their online presence, and you can do it right from your phone. 5. Online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, check out platforms like Chegg, Tutors, and Tutor.com. You can tutor others online and make some extra income. Conclusion. There you have it, Money Insight family. These are just a few ways you can make money using your phone. Remember, it's important to choose opportunities that align with your skills and interests. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe for more money-making insights. Until next time, happy hustling.